Over the past decade, scholarly research has increasingly gravitated towards the understanding that the digital divide is more than simply access to computers and the internet alone. A defining characteristic of this social inequity includes, among other things, how these technologies are used. Research in both the US and the UK have shown that children from higher socioeconomic backgrounds are more likely to experience educational gains from home computer and internet use than others. As such, it is critical that students from low-income communities are taught the digital literacy skills needed to academically compete with their affluent peers. This month, Riot has teamed up with Mr. Echeverria, a third-grade teacher at Qué Raíces Academy, located in East Los Angeles. This school serves 515 kindergarten through fourth grade students, where 90% qualify for the federal free and reduced lunch program. A few months ago, Mr. Echeverria's class received a grant to purchase a class set of Google Chromebooks. This has allowed them to incorporate Common Core collaborative learning, utilize new software, and learn vital technology skills necessary to be successful in the 21st century. The current challenge Mr. Echeverria faces with these powerful learning tools is keeping them charged and secure. Currently, the laptops are placed in an unlocked cabinet with one power strip charging a few at a time. To fix this, Riot will assist in purchasing a laptop cart to ensure that no instructional time is lost due to a dead laptop battery. Additionally, this project will protect this equipment so that future students in Mr. Echeverria's class will also have the opportunities to build the digital literacy skills necessary to compete in today's academic arena. I'd like to encourage you to pick up this month's Teacher Grant t-shirt, Grounded in Technology. But even if you can't, we want you to know how valuable your social networks are to us. Please click the like button or send out a tweet to help raise awareness of this social inequity. On behalf of Rebel Intelligently, Overthrow Tactically, and Mr. Echeverria's current and future third grade class, we want to thank you for your support.